Claim now for the course on udemy.com that is Adobe Premiere Pro. Edit like your favorite content creators.
Video tools. The class, I'll be given some videos and project files that we'll be using throughout the Welcome back, everybody. To do that, a lot of funny things. Something looks really good.
Hey, I am Delower Hosain, and in this video, I am going to show you how to get Edit Like Your Favorite Content Creators course for free. It's a limited time offer, so take it as soon as possible if you want to learn about video editing. If you missed that course, don't worry and subscribe to get more updates so that you don't miss future updates.
What's up, everybody?